Hello everybody, and welcome to Arthur's Cruises. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Like my videos, comment below, and I'll get back to you. Thank you. G'day everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Arthur's Cruises. Today I go back in time and travel on some old buses that used to service the Metropolitan Public Transport Network of South Australia. Today's event was put on by the Bus Preservation Association of South Australia. He picks us up in the city, and let's hop on board and take a ride. These buses have been beautifully restored by their owners, which are a part of this association. This association was formed in 2019. These bus enthusiasts who are all passionate about preserving South Australia's transport history. They have over 30 buses owned by its members. Their goal is to find secure and affordable storage for their ever-growing fleet of buses and showcase their beloved pieces of history to the public and others enthusiasts alike. Now, they do offer events. Their events run every 3 months, which are chartered, restored buses that run through the old routes of South Australia's transport network. And let me tell you, it was great fun getting on some of these old buses, especially this one. After travelling through the back streets, we were able to have a stop and take some photos and some video of the buses that are on this little event. Do yourself a favour, if you're on Instagram, follow me at Arthur's Photography Adelaide. Let's step on board the MAN SL200, bus number 1812. The defining feature about this bus is that it is a bit wider than standard buses. I still remember these push-through opening doors. You had to be quite strong, otherwise it would hit you on the way out. The escape hatch was commonly used for air conditioning. Now let's step aboard the MAN SL200 bus number 1897. Who doesn't remember this classic Adelaide Silver Man buses? When we rode them to school or work, they were a quintessential part of our city and our public transport network. After a day of riding old routes and enjoying the restored buses from the Bus Preservation Association, it was time to head home. Thanks for riding along with me and experiencing a blast from the past of South Australia's public transport network. Looking forward to doing the next event and riding old buses again. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you. In the meantime, check out my other videos. Thank you.